Hey guys, this is Josh with Blog of Speed, just doing another installment on my 92 Miata. I wanted to show you guys how I did a wire tuck without extending any wires. So here's the Miata engine bay after I'm done. What I did was moved the wire harness that goes right over here and links over here for the air conditioning, and moved it back over here towards the firewall. I had to take the fuse box holder out just to snake the wires around. I went ahead and ran the engine wires down here next to the fuel rail, up here under the idle air control solenoid. Down here it plugs into the throttle body. There's what I think is an IAT sensor down here, coolant temp sensor, and then the power steering sensor are on that harness. What I did with the rest of the wiring for the headlights and the AC, I ran them right over here, as you can see, down on the lower side of the intake manifold with a few zip ties over here. This connector is for the headlight pop-ups, the motors. I don't have them hooked up yet, so I'm not exactly sure if they fit, but the mounting points are right here, so I have a feeling it won't be bad. This was just a quick and dirty wire tuck. I figured I'd let you guys know you can do this without any real trouble. Also, forgive the igniter bracket. I need to cut it and make that look a little better. I didn't have anything lying around the house that could do that. But yeah, that's my do-it-yourself wire tuck. It's so much cleaner in here. I still need to do some painting to clean it up, as this is not new, but I hope that gives you an idea of what you guys can do. It took maybe half an hour, and I was taking my time. So guys, I hope this helps you. That was a DIY wire tuck on my 92 Miata. Super easy, cleans up the engine bay, makes it look so much better, and takes maybe a half an hour or an hour of your time if you want to get super detailed. I'll be doing a more comprehensive wire tuck when the motor comes out, but for now I just wanted to clean it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Subscribe and stay tuned for more.